Legs are wet and they're sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare.
Hello, good morning everybody, my dear students. How are you today? I hope that you are well. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. Today we are going to review again the domestic animals. Okay, let's start. Repeat after me, please. Let's start with a new animal. This is a hen. Repeat after me. Hen. Very good. Perfect. Let's to learn the new animal. Repeat after me. This is a cow. Repeat after me, please. Cow. Very good. This is a cow. Okay. The other animal for today is a sheep. Repeat after me, please. Sheep. Sheep. Very good. Excellent. Okay, now I am going to ask you what animal is this, and you should tell me what animal is this. Repeat aloud, please. Okay, dear student, what animal is this? Do you remember? Very good, excellent. This is a hen. Very good. Students, can you tell me what animal is this? Do you remember? Very good. This is a sheep. Sheep, don't forget, please. Okay, the last one animal is this. What animal is this, students? Do you remember what animal is this? Cow. Very good. This is a cow. Don't forget, please. Hen, cow, and sheep. Okay, dear students, this is all for today. If you need to watch this video, you can do it. Watch in several times. Okay, thank you so much. Don't forget to review and practice the pronunciation of hen, cow, and sheep. Thank you so much. Bye bye.